So Fundin is a bid writing platform. We help non-profits streamline the grant writing process so you don't spend as much time on admin and you spend more time working on your organisation. So here is how it works. So we start by building the library. The library is the centre of the system. It's what powers everything else. So we start by adding who you are, what you do. We add some basic financial information which then helps with matching grants later down the line. And we add key documents, so things like case studies, evaluations, impact reports, all that sort of stuff. That then helps build a profile of who you are and what you do. After that, we build out what we call campaigns. So a campaign is anything you want funding for. So it could be a project, it could be some core funding, might be for a building. Once we build the campaign out, the system will then match with grants and it checks your eligibility. So it checks where you're based, your structure, your income size, how many trustees you've got, all that sort of stuff. And then it matches it based on outcomes. So you'll be presented with a list of grants that you can apply for. You can look through and see which ones you want to go for. Next step is to draft an application. So click draft. The system will then look through your entire information library. So it'll check your company profile, it'll check your document section, and it'll check the campaign details. It doesn't draft on anything outside of them 3 data sources. So nothing's made up, nothing's fabricated, everything's verified by your own information. If it is missing anything, it'll ask you and it'll say, Tom, can you give us more information on this? You provide a bit of context. It'll save that going forward so you don't have to keep inputting the same information over and over again. And then take a couple of minutes, the entire application will be drafted. You can review it, make sure you're happy with it. There's an AI assistant on the side, you can ask it questions, ask it to do things, improve it on your behalf. And then once you're ready for it, you can submit it directly to the funders portal. There's a couple other bits, so you can track all the applications, so you can see what stage everything is at. And we can also help you monitor the grants once you've been awarded it. So we can monitor, we can track budgets, we can track impact, evidence, photos. And then once you're ready, you can export that as a PDF and send it off to the funder. So that's pretty much what Fundin is, how it works, what we do. We do have a free trial available, so you can give it a go for 2 weeks. I'll help you get everything set up and see if it can save you some time. If you've got any questions at all, just reach out to myself or the team.